cough, or otherwise known as a modified Heimlich maneuver or assisted cough. You'll use this maneuver when your loved one is unable to clear their airway of food or any other type of particle. To start this maneuver, you do need to make sure that your loved one is in a safe position, meaning that they are in a chair that is supported in the back. So whether there is somebody standing behind to support the chair or running the chair to the closest wall to make sure that the back of the chair is stable. At that time, you will position yourself in front of your person with your legs hip width apart and your arms out towards you. You want to make sure that your hands and thumb is in the same direction, headed out. And then finding the belly button, placing your hands at the belly button level, kneeling or squatting in this position. You're going to count out 1, 2, 3, cough, so that your person knows exactly what is going on. So it will look like this. 1, 2, 3, cough. 1, 2, 3, cough. 1, 2, 3, cough. You'll repeat this maneuver until the airway is clear.